Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand coin. Previously, I shared an idea at the Patreon for my members that the Algorand may complete the final leg of the bullish cipher pattern on the 2-day chart on 23rd of April. And this is my recent idea that I have shared on 7th of July. First I'll show you, this is the idea. First I'll show you the previous idea, then I'll take you to the current one. And by the way, if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can follow the link I have shared in the video's description to join me there. Okay, this was the chart that I have shared currently. And before this chart, I shared the bullish harmonic cipher pattern on 23rd of April. At that time, the price action of Algorand was completing the final leg of this bullish cipher, and you can see after completing this final leg, the price action reversed bullish. Let me play the chart, and this is the beauty of the trading view, that you can if you have at least a free account there, you can play the chart and see how the price action behaved. Now you can see at that time the price line was moving here, and I mentioned that this can be the Fibonacci buying zone and these can be our Fibonacci sell targets. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price action followed the bullish cipher's Fibonacci sequence, entered in the buying zone, and moved to the upside and rallied up to $1.69. That was more than 70% rally and moved down again. And this time, the price line of Algorand has completed another harmonic bullish reversal pattern, and this time it has formed the next bullish reversal move on the weekly time frame chart, and that is a very big bullish Gartley pattern. And we are also having very good support of 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. I'll definitely come to this chart, but before this I would like to show you this pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame chart, and this is the falling wedge pattern. And you can see that the price action is moving in this falling wedge since the month of March, and it's moving very well between the resistance and the support of this falling wedge. And this pattern is considered as a bullish reversal among the traders community, where this time you can see that the price action is breaking out the resistance of this falling wedge after getting bounced by this support, but we are not having a sufficient volume to support this breakout, and the price action is retesting the previous resistance as a support. And if we will not have a sufficient volume, then the price action can re-enter in this falling wedge and it can retest the support of this wedge pattern. And at the same time, we can see that here the price action has also formed this rising wedge pattern at the tip of this falling wedge. That is a very small pattern. Let me just show you this pattern on the different chart. And here I have placed the trend lines. This is the same rising wedge pattern that we were watching on the previous chart. Let me place these trend lines here. So you can see that this is the same pattern. And the rising wedge pattern is considered as a bearish reversal pattern. Therefore, it is possible that the price action may break down the support, and once again we may retest the support of this bigger falling wedge pattern as well, like the Bitcoin is doing at this time. For those details, you can watch my recent Bitcoin video. Now here we can see that the price action is moving at the support of this rising wedge. At the same time, it is retesting the support of this falling, the resistance of this falling wedge as well. Basically, this resistance was, this support was previously resistance. Now it has been turned into the support. At the same time, it is retesting the rising wedge pattern support as well. So there is a possibility that we may move down, because after breaking down the rising wedge pattern, the next target can be the tail of the rising wedge. And we can see that the tail of the rising wedge is approximately where we have this support of the falling wedge, the bigger falling wedge. Therefore, the price action, if it will move down to the target of the rising wedge pattern, then it may retest the support of the falling wedge. Now let's move to this very important chart, and that is the weekly bullish Gartley move that the price action has formed on this long-term chart. And you can see that our buying targets, the buying range, starts from 87.18 cents to 60 cents. and our next target can be $1.7 to $1.57. So this can be a really big move because this pattern has been formed on the weekly time frame chart. It is also possible that the price action has found a resistance here at $1.7. Then the price action, once the price action will start a big move from here, from this Gardner pattern, it may break out the next resistance, the major resistance of $1.7, and it will form another higher than the previous high. We are also having very good support of the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that the price action has already retested here this 50 simple moving average and had a nice bounce to the upside, and now it is moving almost above this buying zone. So we may have another chance to catch it from the dip, from this dip, and we can place our buying order here close to this 50 simple moving average. And you can see that this buying zone is quite wide. Like for example, it is starting from 87 cents and ends up to 60 cents. So in order to minimize the risk factor, we can also use this 50 simple moving average as our stop loss. However, as per the Fibonacci trading, the harmonic trading, normally the harmonic traders use this maximum extent of this potential reversal zone as a stop loss. But you can see that this the buying zone from here, from 87 cents to 60 cents, is more than 31%. However, if you manage to buy it at the end of this buying zone or near from this 50 simple moving average, that will minimize your risk factor, your loss ratio, and then you can set your stop loss here at the end of this buying zone. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and do support me at the Patreon. Here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. Take care. Goodbye.